Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include parking assist system, rear heated seats, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.